Hello and welcome to Wisconsin Issues. Today's issue, chronic wasting disease. CWD is a transmissible spongiform encephalopathy of mule deer, white-tailed deer, elk, and moose. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention says, as a precaution, hunters should avoid eating deer and elk tissues known to harbor the CWD agent. This issue is relevant to Wisconsin because of our large white-tailed deer population and our large population of hunters. Transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, TSC, also known as prion diseases, are a group of progressive conditions that affect the brain and nervous system of many animals, including humans. In humans, the disease is known as Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, or Kuru. If you want to see what this looks like, here's a picture. This is normal brain tissue. This is the brain tissue of someone that had Kuru. This is someone that had Creutzfeldt-Jakob's disease, and this is Scrappy. These are all human forms of CWD. You may remember that about a decade ago, mad cow disease was all over the news. CWD is very similar to mad cow disease, except that it affects deer instead of cows. Unlike other kinds of infectious disease, which are spread by microbes, the infectious agent in TSCs is believed to be a type of protein called the prion protein. Misshapen prion proteins carry the disease between individuals and cause deterioration of the brain. They're pretty scary because prions cannot be transmitted through the Luckily for us, prions cannot be transmitted through the air or through touching or most other forms of casual contact. They are transmitted through contact with infected tissue, body fluids, and contaminated medical instruments. Unfortunately for us, normal sterilization procedures such as boiling or irradiating materials fail to render prions non-effective. This photo is from the U.S. Geological Survey, and it was last updated in April of this year. Here is where CWD was first discovered in the late 60s and early 70s, and since then it has spread to Canada, to Wisconsin, Michigan, all the way out to New York. And this map on the DNR website shows us all of the counties in Wisconsin that CWD is affected. It's affected more than half now, 41 of the 72 counties we have. In my next video, part 2 of the CWD issue, I'll talk about how CWD has continued its spread throughout the state, being found in both Eau Claire and Oneida counties within the last year.